everyone. I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. Today I have my Ipsy box. So this is my Open Studios for August 2021. So these are spoilers, items that you could possibly receive in your regular glam bag and your glam bag plus. I am always so grateful to Ipsy for including me in their Open Studios program. I love bringing this video to all of you each month. Give you a little spoiler. You still have time to sign up if you love what you see. I have not peeked yet. Discover yourself. This is what the box always looks like right here. I love that they're still including the foam. I noticed Boxy is not, and I like the foam in here. So let's so these must be the bags. So this is the Glam Bag Plus bag. It's cute. I so wish it was more like this. This is beautiful, like envelope style, nice green interior. Does have the Ipsy on the back, but this would make a great little handbag if you had to go out. Neutral, and this would hold plenty. I love this. I wish, like, instead of the satchel, or even the satchel be the same material, or it be a bag, but I know they're using the satchel, so I'm not unhappy with that. Let's see, the theme for August 2021 is Wanderlust, right here. It looks like they have some new items in the refreshments. You can take a picture of that. And then this is just us, you know, for the people in the Open Studios program. Your August Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus are here. Let me just see. And that's basically it. But Wanderlust is the theme. Recharge, reset, and go off the grid. I'll plan on doing that. Discover rare new ingredients. Go wild with manis. Try techniques that soothe your skin and your mind. Your greatest adventure starts with you. And I agree with that. But once again, I'll show you the front of that. That's pretty nice. And let's do the glam bag first. I think I might take this as a cute little throw in my handbag. This way, if I have to quick run into a store or something like that, I don't have to take my handbag. I can just grab this. So we'll do this bag first. The first item that I'm pulling out, and this is the regular glam bag, and that's $12. And you get 5, usually deluxe samples. Sometimes you get a full size item, which this is, and this is from Farrah. This is Blender Brush 25E, excuse me, and it says on the brush, be beautiful, be you. This is the brush. And this, I think, is the Rose Gold collection. I'll probably keep this brush because I love these. Farrah brushes are so nice. That's the brush. Very nice. Yep. You don't have to use it for there. You can do whatever you want with your brushes. They're yours. And that is, I do have my phone off to the side. A full size, obviously, Blender Brush Rose Gold collection. It's value of $11. So that basically pays the $12 for the box. Everything else is a bonus. The next item is from Rodial, and this is Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel. And this is a deluxe sample, and that is pretty full. This is 15 ml, 0.5 fluid ounces. These have been so tight lately to get off. I love to see a safety seal because I don't like to open all this stuff right away. And as long as I cannot get it closed again, sealed, then that's good. So that's nice to have, a sculpting gel. Helps define facial contours and add volume to sagging skin. Instructions: apply to cleanse face and neck twice daily. Okay, can't do too many days of twice daily with that. The next item is from Verso, and this is a facial cleanser for daily use. We've received products from them before. Gentle facial cleanser, mild. Cannot see what that word says. It's not in English, that's why. Gentle facial cleanser. Okay, so this here, obviously, I think is a deluxe sample. Happy for that, too. Ooh, look at this. Tiny. from Milk Makeup. And this is a lipstick and cheek tint in Work. I don't know if that's going to show up. That's cute. This is a deluxe sample too, and it's just a screw off top. Hopefully, let me see if I can take that off. Yeah. I don't know why I smelled that. Sometimes lipsticks have like a vanilla scent, but there it is. That's cute. I'm not going to touch that just because I don't want this all over my hands. I might not keep that, honestly. It's cute though. The last item in here is from Glow Recipe, Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. It's really tiny. Did I do it right? Really tiny, but I don't think I've tried this. Retinol Sleep, unless we got it in a tub. I'm not really sure. And this has one of the tiniest little seals on it. Right here. Oh, let me see if I can hold this. There's the product. So you probably could only get one, maybe one or two uses out of that, but it would be enough to decide if you liked it. Make sure you didn't have any reaction to it. I want to make sure that goes back on properly. I'm excited to try that. I don't know if I tried the sleeping mask. A retinol eye sleeping mask. Brightening and firming. I don't think I have. So we have that. The Milk Makeup. Verso Facial Cleanser. Rhodial Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel. And then the Farrah brush in this bag. So there are, you know, like I said, variants, but this bag is adorable. The brush is worth $11. So that's right there. Like I said, pays for your glam bag. So I'm not unhappy with that. Once again, this is the bag. There is a little Ipsy, right? Does that say Ipsy on it? Yeah, it's in there. It's tiny though. Barely see it. Nice bag. It feels nice. And let's do the products in the Glam Bag Plus that I received in from the Open Studios program. And these are some of the products you could have received. Ooh. First one is from Murad, and this is their Hydration Sensitive Skin Soothing Serum. $65. Wow. AM/PM massage evenly over clean face, neck, and chest. It is dermatologist developed, which is good to know. Intensely hydrating serum relieves dry, sensitive skin. Hyaluronic acid supports skin ability to retain moisture, and chamomile extract helps soothe the skin. I agree with both. Oh, that's a nice container right there. Glass with a pump. Well, I'm excited to try this. I love Murad. I use their toner. I've used tons of their products, and I actually really do like Murad. I have purchased items from Murad. The next thing from Tarte, Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara, value of $23. This is always nice, and obviously this is black. Might share this because I don't generally do the big, I love the packaging on this. It's really cool. I like to just use the sample size because I don't wear it enough. And it really does work like the picture showed. It really does define and lift your lashes. The next item in the Plus that I received is from Florence by Mills Tint and Tame Brow Gel. And I think this is clear, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. Clear, transparent, it says right there. Let's see what this looks like. Am I opening it the wrong end? No, I'm opening it the right end. Okay. I like a good gel. Right here. Nice tube, nice packaging. Let's open this. The one I have, I'm getting ready to toss. I think I opened that wrong. I opened it like this, thinking the bigger part was the thing, and now this is the wand, the bigger part. The gel is here. You can see the small little one. This is perfect to do what you want. I love putting gel on in the evening. Your eyebrows are no different than anything else. You have to train them to go the direction you want. If you like them more upward, then at nighttime, I brush them the way I want them to lay normally and put some clear gel in, and that's it. I do use gel a lot of times after I do my eyebrow tint also. It just helps keep them in place. They don't, like, you know, stick up the wrong way or anything like that. I use that stuff all the time. Well, this isn't, did I tell you how much that was? No. Murad was $65. Tarte mascara, $23. That's a $14 value. This here is from Araceli Beauty. Value of $37. This is a gel pencil eyeliner duo with a sharpener. And the shades are bronze and then olive. Right there. Let's open this up. Maybe this end. I don't think I've tried this brand. Oh, nice sharpener. So it comes with the sharpener. Here's the sharpener. Nice. I like that. A little protected. And here are the two pencils. I'm going to see what these are. And they are a nice gel right there. I'm going to swatch these. Oh, that's nice. I guess this is more the olive right there. I like that. Wear a lot of liner, like lower lash line. I'm not real big anywhere else with it. And then here's the other one. So this is what the other one looks like. And we'll put that next to it and see the difference. Oh, that's pretty. These go on nice. And you can see the other one on this side. So there's the olive and the bronze. I love both because the bronze is like more like a brownish. And I don't wear black at all. And I love the little sharpener. That's really nice. And it nicely packaged right in there. I do like the olive, and that's just like a deep green, which I love. And like I said, the bronze is more like, it's not like shiny or glittery, and that could pass for a brown. So, and that's worth $37 right here. That's expensive. Last item is from Deuce, or Douce, however it is pronounced. I have no idea. Posh Powder Palette, worth $55. Expensive brand. I don't necessarily know if it's worth the price, but their product is usually pretty good. This is the packaging. And then on the back, it does give you the pan shades. And I'm trying to think. I remember seeing this. Yep. It has a beautiful mirror. Let me see if I can tone down the mirror so you guys don't get blinded. Pull it down a little bit. And these are the pans. So this is definitely highlighter, blush, and, you know, bronzer. Why not? So we have Flicker, Glisten, and Sparked Ray across the top, and they can all be highlighters. You can, you know, if you want to put a little shimmer on your eye, you could. I would assume 61 RSVP, which is, I'm trying to not block this one down here, would be a good blush. They're your highlighters. And then the other two are 65 Time Bomb and 64 So Good. I mean, these could all be used as blushers. If you could use one of them for a bronzer, maybe. I don't like the shimmeriness for that. So I don't know if I'll keep this or not, but I do like that I like the highlighter tones. The blush is nice. Could use the two ends for, you could really use the whole bottom row for blush. It's blush and highlighter. That's what it is. Okay, you're dumb. It says it on the back, blush and highlighter, but you could, I mean, if that is dark enough or a tone that you could use, maybe that middle one you could use for a bronzer. Really just depends on how it applies. I have no idea. Okay, here, over my glasses. Just trying to look at these in a brighter light. It's more like a pinky blush and like a peachy. So this might work for me. I don't know what I'll do. I might keep that. You never know. Like, I don't need any more highlighters. I love Laura Geller's vanilla highlighter. I love Ofra's highlighters. I have tons of blush. I don't know if I'll keep that or if I'll share it. I'm not really sure. I'm sure I'll share the Tarte lashes in a giveaway. Love the gel. Love the Murad. Love everything in my glam bag. Cute little bags, and I do share some of them. I will be keeping. Now, I have 2 glam bags coming, so I'll probably share 1 or 2 of these, but this is really cute. I love it. And let me see, my phone is here. Did I put a total in here? In my notes. Yes, the glam bag, obviously the glam bag, without having prices for the deluxe samples, the $11 for the Farrow brush would be the glam bag value, because you can't really get them for the others. And this plus bag value of $194 for 27. Is it $27 or 25? One of those. I think it's 25. No, it's 27. I'm gonna look. I don't know why I do that to myself. I have little cards with some Ipsy's 12 and 25. I think it's with tax, it's 27. So for $25 to get $194 in value, definitely a good bag. Once again, thank you to Ipsy, and Wanderlust is the theme of the August bags. So this is my spoilers video. Like I said, if you like what you see, I do have a link down below if you'd like to sign up. I do get points when you sign up under my link. Those points, I save them up. I get products out that they have in their little store that you can get with points. And I always then, when I receive them, they go into a giveaway, or I do a giveaway immediately in that video. I don't keep anything that is given with points. When you sign up, I give right back to you guys. I don't keep it for myself. I don't need to purchase anything in them stores. Same thing with Boxy. If anybody signs up there, I get products and put them in a giveaway. I don't like, what else do I truly need? I get plenty that I keep for myself, but I also share probably 80% of what I get. So some of these products you will see, but these, so far, these two are definite. The eyeliners and the brow gel love. Murad I love, so that I'll probably keep. But, the palette and the mascara probably will go in a giveaway. I would say 99% positive they'll go in a giveaway. And then the glam bag, I might share some of them samples. How many samples can I use? I can't. I have a whole bin that I haven't even gotten to yet. So, like I said, if you like what you see and you're interested in maybe some of the products that you could get, go ahead and sign up. Use my link if you'd like, and I'll be more than happy to share products that I purchase. I'll let you know if I make purchases. This way, I'll let you know. I always take snapshots of everything, so I can say I had, 2,400, because I think I get 600 points if you sign up for the bags. And then, it's usually to get the good stuff, maybe about 1,800. So a couple of you sign up. I, just buy if they offer palettes especially, or like good brush sets, I always pick those and then put them in a giveaway. I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have a great day. I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.